Why isn't everyone doing it? Why doesn't everyone have an ATM business? That's what we're going to talk about on this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I have been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where people come to me to start an ATM business, people just like you, right? And why would someone want to start an ATM business? Depends on the individual person. Some people want to get out of their 9 to 5. Some people want a more secure retirement. Some people want to just start putting their money to work for them. Some people want a better return on their money. Some people want to stop putting out a whole lot of money in an investment to make a return, and they want to put out a little less money to make a decent return, right? It varies based on the individual, okay? Why would someone come to me to help them learn the ATM business? Well, that's easy. I'll save you time, money, and headaches. All right. If you would like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com, atmtrainingvideo.com, enter your email. On that next page, watch that video. It's about 28 minutes long, super detailed video, full of information. Watch it. If you're still interested in me helping you, then fill out the application. Once you submit the application, you're going to be taken to a calendar, schedule a call with someone from my team. Together, you guys will figure out if one of my training programs is a fit for you. Okay, so now, why isn't everyone doing it? Why doesn't everybody start their own ATM business? All right, why? Honestly, I think they should. But the reality is that's never going to happen. And the reason is pretty simple. Not everybody is cut out to be a business owner. Not everybody is cut out to be an entrepreneur. It's just not possible. The majority of people in this world are W-2 employees, right? And we'd be screwed as a world without them. Right? That because, us entrepreneurs and us business owners, we wouldn't have anybody to work for us if there weren't any W-2 employees, right? That's why we have mechanics. That's why we have people that work in the dry cleaners. That's why we have people that clean hotels. That's why we have people that work at the UPS store. That's why we have the cash registers at the grocery store. And I could go on and on. Like literally everybody you deal with, I could go on and on and on and on, right? Everybody we deal with probably on a daily basis, most likely are a W-2 employee, right? And the majority of them have no desire to work for somebody else. They like that security of the paycheck coming in every week or every 2 weeks or whatever they get paid, right? They like that security of having that health care or that 401k or pension or whatever it is, right? So that's why not everyone is doing it. Plus, here's another thing. This is another reason why everyone is not doing it. Sorry, I had to adjust my seat. I need a new seat here. What is this? See this? You probably think I'm going to edit that out of this video. I'm not. But another reason is it's not as easy as it appears, right? It's not as easy as everybody else wants to make you believe it is, right? It's not as easy as, oh, I'm going to buy an ATM and I'm going to find a business owner and place it in there. Yeah, it don't work like that. It's not that easy. You have to work. You have to be persistent. You have to learn to love the word no, right? Because you're going to get no's a whole lot more than you're going to get yeses. You're going to get doors slammed in your face a whole lot more than you're going to get smiles and hugs and handshakes, right? So not everybody can deal with that. Not everybody can deal with that, right? So does that make sense? That's why not everybody's doing it. I don't understand why, everybody, doesn't have their own business, or everybody doesn't live at the beach, or everybody doesn't, whatever. It's just everybody's a different person, and not everybody wants the same thing. About that. Not everybody wants the same thing. And it's okay. I mean, can you imagine the world if we all wanted the same thing? I mean, I think we all want freedom, health, wealth, right? But not everybody knows how to go about getting it, right? And a lot of folks think that W-2 job is the way to get it. And then some folks, they just are living their day to day and they don't really think bigger. So there's never going to be a time where everybody has an ATM business or everybody's doing it, right? It's just never going to happen. That's just not how people are raised or not how people are taught. Sadly, right? It's not how they're taught. And even if they are taught that, there are some people that just can't do it. Like there's They're afraid. And yes, as an entrepreneur, we know that it's okay to be afraid. It's normal, right? But there are people that can't get over that fear. They can't get through it, right? So they just do what they know, and that's working for somebody else. And that, my friends, is why everybody's not doing it. That's why everybody doesn't have an ATM business, and there will never be a day ever in this entire world where everybody will be own an ATM business. There will never be a day in this entire world where everybody is an entrepreneur or a business owner of some sort. It's not possible. There's just some people that are meant to work for somebody else. And that's okay. Again, that's okay. We need those people, right? We need those people to ship our packages, to sell us our stamps, to fix our cars, to sell us gum at the grocery store, right? All those things, and, even things like dentists. Yeah, it's their own practice, but they're working, 8 hours a day, 12 hours a day, 10 hours a day. Right? We need them, right? We need doctors. We need people cutting hair. We need all those people. And even those people are entrepreneurs, but I think they're more so actively working versus passively. Whereas, once you place an ATM, sure, you have to fill it once a week, but the time that you're not filling it, which is like 95% of the time, you're still making money from it passively. Right, I'm sitting here talking to you, doing this video, I'm making money from my ATMs, right? And it's same with you. You'll be sleeping, making money from your ATMs. You'll be eating breakfast, making money from your ATMs. You might even be at a W-2 job, making money from your ATMs, right? And yeah, 5 minutes, hour, you went and filled the machine. The rest of that time is passive income. Whereas a dentist, a hairdresser, they're actively cutting hair and fixing teeth to make that money. Even doctors, they're actively seeing patients to make money, right? So not everybody's cut out to be an ATM business owner. Not everybody's cut out to be an entrepreneur. Not everybody's cut out to search for passive income and do things in a passive income way. And passive income, of course, is the definition I use as an income received on a regular basis with little to no effort required to maintain it. Clearly, the ATM business takes a little bit of effort. Hopefully this makes sense. You guys have any questions? Post them below. Of course, don't forget to click that little ATM right there and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, questions, post them below. Don't forget to give me some likes here. Likes. Seriously though, post questions below. Also, if you have an idea for another video, post it below, and maybe the next video I do will be your suggestion. Carey Buck here. Remember, if you would like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com, atmtrainingvideo.com. Remember, please, you need money to start an ATM business. If you don't have at least $6,000 or more saved up for an ATM business, now is not the time for you to get involved in an ATM business, all right? Just, do that plan that you need to do to save that money, and then let's revisit it later. Watch that video and fill out that application, all right? atmtrainingvideo.com, Carey Buck. I'll talk to you soon. May you live happily off of passive income.